Hello, my name is Lilian and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to recreate a style I saw on Instagram on my natural hair without using extensions. I think the style was done with extensions, but I'm going to try to recreate it without using extensions. So if you want to see my results, keep watching. But first, before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. So I'm starting on previously moisturized hair. I moisturized my hair 2 days ago and then I put my hair in 3 braids. So I'm just going to go ahead now and take down the braids. I'm done taking down the braids. Like, the roots of my hair is dry, but the ends are not dry because the braids were like really big. I did just 3 braids, so the ends of my hair are not dry. But I don't think that would be a problem. It looks like the person has a total of about 8. I could not see the front, just the side view, but from what I can see, I think she whoever did it did like 8 big sections. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair into 8 sections. I'm going to use my cornrows. I'm going to be parting my hair with a rattle comb, metal one. I found it today, so I'll just go ahead and part my hair. I'm done sectioning my hair and I ended up with 7 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I put them I sectioned it so that I'll just move straight to braiding. I will not have to like part my hair again. So I'm going to start from this one. My hair is pretty moisturized, it's even wet, so there's really no need to bring water or anything. So now let me put this away. So from the picture, the person, like, it looks like from each section the person like takes a little hair, not from the hairline, just like about an inch from the hairline. She just takes out a little tiny piece of hair, like all the way to, like, not all the way to the end, like to the back, but just almost at the back. So we're going to stop here. So I have like a little section. This is how long it is. So now I'm just going to do regular tiny cornrow with this one. I'll put this away. I'm making this as tight as I can so that it's really small and flat. So I'm going to braid the ends to about 1 inch. Then I'm going to leave the rest of the hair hanging. So I'll just go ahead and detangle so that it's easy to, so that it will blend easily with the rest of the hair. You can see it's nice and flat. Because I want it to be neat, I'm going to go ahead and apply some edge control, the ORS edge control. So I'll just apply a little bit of it on the perimeter of my hair. just on the front part of it here. Then I'll go ahead and smooth the edge control into my hair so that it doesn't leave white residue. Then I'm going to go ahead and start making regular cornrows. But as soon as I'm done making the cornrows, like as soon as I'm done moving about 1 inch from the perimeter of my hair, I start to make it a little bit loose. So I kind of like reduce my grip on the hair so that it's a little loose and more voluminous. Then when I get to the point where I did this small cornrow, I add it to the rest of the hair and just continue to braid. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing all over my hair, and then we'll see how the finished look will be. So I'm done doing all my hair. I'm done doing all my hair, and I went ahead to lay my edges. I'm trying to lay still because I don't know, my earrings keep falling off. I just want to show you guys the look with the earrings. So that's why I'm trying to put my head still. So now I'm going to remove this and show you guys the big reveal. So I did not set my hair long enough, so that's why you can still see some white stuff here. It should go away and look like this after a while. So this is the finished look. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.